Are your Slate Digital apps crashing due to the Fresh-air Audio Plugin DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. Before we begin the manual steps for Fresh-air Audio Plugin, check the description for a tool to help maintain a clean system environment. This is the Fresh-air Audio Plugin, the core execution library for the Slate Digital Fresh-air Exciter plugin, implementing harmonic enhancement algorithms used in vocal mixing chains. It provides the DSP routines required for high-frequency excitation. If missing, digital audio workstations may display "plugin could not be loaded," breaking processing chains in affected projects. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. The Fresh-air Audio Plugin DLL library is a specialized asset belonging to the Slate Digital environment, and you must reinstall the host program that is displaying the error to ensure all internal dependencies are properly synchronized. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Fresh-air Audio Plugin file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Technical warning: many online file mirrors provide versions of Fresh-air Audio Plugin DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally modified, putting your privacy at risk without resolving the underlying execution error. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. For a fresh review of system maintenance concepts, the recommended tool below includes information related to Fresh-air Audio Plugin. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved Fresh-air Audio Plugin error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.